The likelihood you and your employees forget their training is all too common. Sure, you may search your training notes, use the help menu, ask colleagues for assistance, and call the support team, but they are time and resource intensive. What can you do to eliminate these problems? Keep watching because we're going over 3 ways that a performance support system eliminates the traditional productivity draining ways of seeking help by providing support at the point of work. Eliminate wasted time. One of the biggest issues with a knowledge base or a help menu is that it often doesn't provide support at the point of work. Rather than recognizing exactly where you are in the application, as opposed to what happens in a performance support system, the help menus still require old-fashioned search to find a solution. Searching for information can be a significant drain on your time and productivity. You may have to re-query the system multiple times to find the right keyword phrasing for the answer you need. Or you may never quite find the answer you're looking for. In addition to recognizing where the end user needs help and serving up the right content, a performance support system also offers job aids in different content formats. This can speed your learning process even further because you can choose the format that best fits your learning style. Finally, because a performance support system creates job aids by recording the exact processes required to complete a task, the steps and language mirror what you see within the application. This eliminates the confusion many end users encounter when the help directions don't match with what's on the application screen. Reduce initial training. Training end users on new software is a key part of the onboarding process. However, it's not only costly in terms of the money spent on training, but in the use of your employees' time. Retention of the material often isn't all that great. Technical skills training, such as learning new software, often requires the biggest commitment of employee time out of all types of training organizations invest in. On the Edgar Dale cone of experience, people have the highest retention rate, around 90%, when they learn doing the real thing. Compare this with a 10 to 20% retention rate when reading or hearing the material. A performance support system allows you to apply a skill to solve a problem rather than esoterically learning a skill in training. You'll not only retain the information better, but you'll also learn it faster. You'll be taking short bursts of time to learn one process rather than an hour or day-long training session. In fact, by using a performance support system, you can eliminate almost all scenario-based training. This allows you to distill user onboarding training time down to the most crucial and frequent tasks end users will need to do in the software. Increase organizational productivity. The primary responsibility of your learning management team is to make sure that end users have the content necessary to assist them when they get stuck. Creating this content, validating it, and pushing it out to the end users takes time, and as software updates come along or functionalities change, they need to constantly update the content. A performance support system adds value to this team's work and helps increase their productivity by allowing end users to create content, auto-capturing of all steps in a transaction, and automatically propagating updates to content changes. In the digital age, people already have and expect that the right information will be delivered to them at the right time. A performance support system offers this same right time, right information value. Not only meeting employees' expectations for how content should be delivered in today's instant feedback world, but significantly boosting productivity across the organization in the process. Have questions? Contact us today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.